Home sparrow. The house sparrow, Passer domesticus, is a small, brown bird that is found in many parts of the world, including Europe, Asia, Africa, and North America. It is a common species, often found in urban and suburban areas, and is well known for its distinctive chirping song. House sparrows are social birds that typically live in large flocks, and they are often seen feeding on seeds, insects, and other small creatures. They have a distinctive appearance, with brown feathers, a gray cap on their heads, and a black bib on their throats. Males and females have similar plumage, although males are typically larger and more brightly colored. House sparrows are adaptable and hardy birds that can thrive in a wide range of environments. They are also known for their aggressive behavior, which can sometimes lead to conflicts with other bird species. Despite their commonness, however, house sparrow populations have declined in some areas due to habitat loss and other factors. The average lifespan of a house sparrow, Passer domesticus, is around 3 to 4 years in the wild, although some individuals have been known to live for up to 10 years. The life expectancy of a house sparrow can vary depending on various factors, such as food availability, predation, and disease. House sparrows reach sexual maturity at around 9 to 12 months old and can produce multiple broods of chicks in a breeding season. Their breeding season can last from March to October, with peak breeding occurring in spring and early summer. In captivity, house sparrows may live longer than in the wild, with some individuals living up to 14 years. However, it is important to note that house sparrows are social birds and require the company of other sparrows to thrive in captivity. House sparrows, Passer domesticus, are social birds that typically live in large flocks, and they are known for their lively and active behavior. Here are some common behaviors of house sparrows. 1. Feeding. House sparrows are opportunistic feeders, and they feed on a variety of foods, including seeds, insects, and human food scraps. They are often seen foraging on the ground or at bird feeders. 2. Bathing. House sparrows are also frequent bathers and can be seen splashing in shallow puddles or bird baths. 3. Chirping. House sparrows are known for their distinctive chirping songs, which are used to communicate with each other and to attract mates. 4. Nesting. House sparrows typically nest in cavities, such as in trees, bird houses, or under eaves of buildings. They are colonial nesters and may build their nests close to each other in large colonies. 5. Aggression. House sparrows can be territorial and aggressive towards other birds, particularly during the breeding season. They may compete for nest sites or food resources and may chase away other birds from their territory. 6. Roosting. House sparrows typically roost in groups in trees, bushes, or in the eaves of buildings, particularly during the winter months when temperatures are low. Overall, house sparrows are active and social birds with a wide range of interesting behaviors. House sparrows, Passer domesticus, are omnivorous birds and have a varied diet that includes both plant and animal matter. Here are some common food items that house sparrows eat. 1. Seeds. House sparrows are primarily seed eaters, and they feed on a variety of seeds from grasses, weeds, and other plants. 2. Insects. House sparrows also eat a wide range of insects, including caterpillars, beetles, and grasshoppers. They may also feed on spiders and other small invertebrates. 3. Fruits and berries. House sparrows may occasionally eat fruits and berries, particularly in the fall and winter when other food sources may be scarce. 4. Human food. House sparrows are often seen foraging for human food scraps, particularly in urban areas. They may feed on bread, cereals, and other food items. 5. Bird feeders. House sparrows are common visitors to bird feeders, where they may feed on seeds, suet, and other bird food. It is important to note that house sparrows are opportunistic feeders and may adapt their diet based on the availability of food in their environment. They are known for their ability to thrive in a wide range of habitats and food sources, which has contributed to their success as a species. House sparrows, Passer domesticus, are social birds that typically form monogamous pairs during the breeding season. Here is an overview of their mating behavior. 1. Courtship displays. During the breeding season, male house sparrows may engage in courtship displays to attract a female mate. These displays may include puffing up their feathers, singing, and performing hopping or fluttering movements. 2. Pair bonding. Once a male and female house sparrow have formed a pair bond, they may engage in preening and other behaviors that help to solidify their relationship. 3. Nest building. House sparrows typically build their nests in cavities, such as in trees, bird houses, or under eaves of buildings. The male and female may work together to build the nest, using grasses, twigs, and other materials. 4. Egg-laying and incubation. The female house sparrow typically lays 4 to 5 eggs, which are incubated by both the male and female for a period of about 10 to 14 days. 5. Chicks and fledging. Once the eggs hatch, the chicks are fed by both the male and female until they fledge at around 14 to 16 days old. After fledging, the chicks may continue to be fed by their parents for several weeks. It is important to note that house sparrows are colonial nesters, and several pairs may build their nests close to each other in large colonies. During the breeding season, male house sparrows may also become aggressive towards other males, particularly in defense of their territory or mate. Here are some interesting life facts about house sparrows, Passer domesticus. 1. House sparrows are small birds, typically measuring about 5 to 6 inches, 12 to 15 centimeters, in length and weighing about 1 to 1.5 ounces, 25 to 40 grams. 2. They are native to Europe, Asia, and North Africa, but have been introduced to many parts of the world, including North and South America, Australia, and New Zealand. 3. House sparrows are highly adaptable birds and can thrive in a wide range of habitats, including urban areas, agricultural fields, and grasslands. 4. They are social birds and typically form flocks, with males and females often segregating into separate groups outside of the breeding season. 5. House sparrows are omnivorous and have a varied diet that includes seeds, insects, fruits, and human food scraps. 6. Their breeding season can last from March to October, with peak breeding occurring in spring and early summer. 7. House sparrows are monogamous during the breeding season, with pairs typically forming lasting bonds. 8. They are colonial nesters and may build their nests close to each other in large colonies. 9. The average lifespan of a house sparrow in the wild is around 3 to 4 years, although some individuals have been known to live up to 10 years. 10. House sparrows are common visitors to bird feeders and can provide enjoyment and entertainment for bird watchers and backyard enthusiasts.